Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by locking in essential gear and the first camera moves. Pick one camera and a fast lens so you capture clean shadows. Once done, set exposure for mood. Lower shutter, wider aperture, and raise ISO only as needed to avoid heavy noise. Make sure to position a key dimmable LED with a gel to create that cinematic dark vibe, and flag lights with black drape to preserve contrast. You'll move the camera slowly now, push in or track laterally to reveal form. Now you focus on complex middle steps. Sculpt the athlete with hard rim lights to separate from black background and add one subtle fill if skin details get lost. Once your lights are dialed, switch angles, mix low wide shots with tight close-ups to emphasize strain and texture. Make sure to vary motion, a slow slider push in, a steady handheld follow, and deliberate pans to build rhythm. You'll also pick 24 or 30 frames for cinematic motion, and finish by editing and grading to cement the dark theme. Adjust lift and gamma to keep deep blacks while preserving skin tone, and pull highlights down by 5 to 15% to avoid blown lights. Once done, add subtle film grain and a light vignette to unify shots and make transitions feel intentional. Make sure to match color temperature across clips and sync audio. If something goes wrong, try temporal denoise, local relighting, or reshoot the problematic angle to preserve cinematic consistency.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.